YouTube channel, Canoli Vlog. May pupuntahan tayong isang okasyon. Ayun ang aking anak, may bit-bit na flower. Ayan oh. May dala tayong flower. Wow! May pupuntahan kaming birthday yan. Makikilamo na naman ang inyong lingkod. Yeah! Please subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel, Canoli Vlog. Mainit ang panahon, maganda ang panahon ngayon dito sa amin sa UK. Pero ng mga nakaraang araw panay ang ulan. Ngayon uminit, presko. Dyan, dapat doon sa unahan ka upo po. Ayaw mo akong tabihan sa unahan. Talagang driver mo ako. Wawa naman si daddy, driver lang. Ayaw akong tabihan sa unahan talaga eh. Ito, yung mga anak kong to. Alis na po tayo. Ayan, samahan niyo po kami. Alis na tayo, mainit ang panahon. Malayo-layo rin po yung ating biyahe. Higit isang oras. Salamat po mga idol. Mga ka-idol dyan sa patuloy na panonood sa aking videos. Salamat po sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa inyong lingkod na Canoli Vlog. Chelsea, promote my channel. Come on.
Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
Gutom na naman ang aking bunso. Yung kanyang boses na lalambot na. Sige, alis na tayo para makakain na. Bye bye. Samahan nyo kami sa aming biyahe. Talaga sumunod ka sa kilometer per miles. Something happened. Andito na tayo sa handaan sa birthday na ating pupuntahan at timing na timing. Pagdating namin, diretso pila sa pagkuha ng pagkain. Ang daming tao, madaming bisita. Ito yung mother ng boyfriend ng aking anak na may birthday. 50th birthday. Pila na kami. Ano, gutom ka na ba? Ha? Gutom ka na? Hindi. Alsan ko lang. Yun. Lang ka?
Ginawa ko na yung tainga. Para healthy.
Dito, sisig po.
Ano nagluto? Opo, yung?
Dad po. Dad soup po.
Sarap. Mga ka-idol, libre na naman ating hapunan yan. Libre na naman kami. Say hi. Ate, subscribe mo yung Kanoli Vlog para mapanood mo to.
Ano po?
Because of that, you two, we need to select per table the first 10 representatives for our first game. Yes, sir! And, of course, what's the prize for Eric for this game?
Don't look. Did you pick you already?
From that table, I select Winnie Ninang Ina. Represent!
Nina, I hope you want. Top 2 for this game. Okay. Again, when I say banana, you act like this. When I say orange, you act like this. When I say fruit salad, just sorry. Yeah, so when we answer, for example, color 1, 2, 3, white. Okay. Alright. Category is math in the calendar. 1, 2, 3.
March.
I don't know the anniversary of my You get it number 1 to 13. 1, 2, 3.
27.
Are you sure you guys are in together? She has a lot left. It should be like synchronized. And then one more last. Animal. 1, 2, 3. Go! Okay, let's do a representative.
Nagulat ako, hindi ko alam. My message is, you've been a great tita to me, tita. With all your advices with you and Tito, Eric, of course, your advice with me and Jericho din po. With all your baking, I love all your baking, your carrot cake, your coffee cake. And I just want to say, Tita is a good florist. She's the best florist. So if you guys need to order flowers, you should order from her. But yeah, thank you, Tita, for all the talks, all the messages, and I'm glad to have you as a tita.
Thank you so much.
I love you, Mom.
So, I'm gonna make it short and sweet, but I've known my mom my whole life, you know. She's my best friend, she's helped me mature a lot, you know. Helped me find the perfect person, obviously. Obviously I can say the same for that, you know. You've taught me a lot, taught me to be a better person than I am today, you know. The funny thing is, everybody knows my dad's got a loud voice. So every time he tells me, I'm hiding behind my mom because, you know, she's my guardian. Obviously, she's my best friend. Mahal na mahal kita.
I-return to sender ko na to eh. Ang tagal. Ano lang, thank you and great. Thank you for taking care of us. And I'm not saying I am grateful. We are grateful. Because you are kind, humble, and sweet. In Tagalog naman. Okay? Salamat. Wait. Salamat kung mga araw na wala akong problema. Nandiyan ka sa tabi ko. Binibigyan mo ako ng problema. Thank you. Baka masundan si EJ.
I've been very busy for the past 1 year now. His day offs, he's been doing overtimes. And I was getting mad because he doesn't rest anymore.
Say it, please. Say it.
I didn't know that he was preparing for my 50th birthday. He spent the whole of this, and he contacted all my friends. When he was asking me what I want for my birthday, and I said to him, all I want is to be with you guys. I just want to be simple. I just want to be with my closest friends. And true enough, he did a big effort to contact all of you, even those ones coming from the farther north and the farther south. I didn't have any hint. They even bought my gown. And probably they know my size very well.
Hindi ko ba yan dyan eh?